What's up, everyone? My name is Chris Record, and first of all, I want to congratulate you on visiting this page today. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you a powerful demonstration of this software right in front of your eyes. It's going to be amazing. But first, I just want to get real with you. I want to get very, very honest with you. You see, a lot of people think that success happens overnight. And they look at my business right now and go, wow, you know, he's making millions of dollars. It must have been easy for him. And the truth is that it wasn't. The truth is I actually struggled to be able to make any money online for years and years and years. I mean, I was one of those guys that was eating up every, infomercial product. I was buying books. I was attending events. I was doing anything that I could to try to learn, but nothing was working for me. I struggled. I mean, when I was dating, I was even living off of my girlfriend's income at the time, trying to be an internet marketer, and I just wouldn't cut it. Now, I don't know if you could relate to that or not, but sometimes when you go through those struggles, it's worth it. We see how bad that we really wanted it. And I just wanted it so bad. I wanted to succeed. And all I wanted to know was that it was possible. But see, there's a pattern that was happening. I kept trying to make money over and over and over doing the same exact thing, and it wasn't working. It wasn't until I found something new, a completely different system of making money online, where I completely revolutionized my life. I went from being absolutely broke to having my first $10,000 month, then my first $20,000 month, my first $50,000 month, and I even broke over $100,000 in a single month, all following a very duplicatable system that I can teach you today. Now, I have one of my past mentors who unfortunately passed away, but before he passed along, one of his biggest pieces of advice that he gave me was he said, Chris, millionaires become millionaires because they find 2 or 3 ways to make money doing what they're already doing. Now let me repeat that for you. Millionaires become millionaires because they find multiple ways to make money doing what they're already doing. And that really clicked with me. You see, what happened was I stumbled across a process that I'm going to teach to you today that helped me generate over 50,000 leads in just a matter of a few short months. And those leads helped me generate over $1 million online. And my life radically changed. My business grew. Everything about that grew. And today I am so excited to be able to bring that same exact system to you. Now, I have called that system Smart Member. And what Smart Member is it's software that automatically builds membership sites. Now, why would you want a membership site? Maybe you're a beginner marketer just getting started. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, the money is in the list. And when I say list, I mean email leads. I mean opt-ins. Now, no matter what business you're in, you could always use more traffic, more leads, and more sales. But if the money's in the list, how can you generate leads? How can you build a big email list? And that's why I created this software. You see, rather than sending people to those, ugly looking pages where they have to opt in, they have to give their email in order to get whatever's on the next side, I did things completely different. I actually created free membership sites. These free membership sites had valuable videos and training modules inside of them, and you could become a free member. So instead of opting in, you would become a free member. And those membership leads were like 10 times more valuable than a regular opt-in. So I generated a 50,000 person list of membership leads. That's equivalent to like a 500,000 person list of just email opt-ins. Because with membership sites, you can collect their email, you can collect their name, their city, their location, and even their Facebook connection. You can gather a lot of information helping you properly market to them. And not only that, when you send them emails, the email open rates are high because it's so valuable. You're delivering value to them in the membership site. And when that finally clicked for me, that's when I started rapidly growing my business. My business grew 10 times. I had my hands around more business than I could even handle. I actually started hiring more and more people in my company. And it grew from just me working at home in my little home office to actually having not 1, but 2 offices. And not having just a couple of employees, but over a dozen employees locally. And now we're expanding our 3rd office. In just a couple of short years, my business went from 6 figures to 7 figures, and now we're on track to hit 8 figures. All because I stumbled across this secret. Now let me tell you about the first membership site that I created. It was a site that taught people how to be able to market on Facebook. And here's all I did. In a single weekend, I built the membership site, and I created some basic training videos, and I gave them away for free. But there was also an upgrade where they could pay $100 and become a part of that site. The free version generated me over 20,000 free memberships, a 20,000 person list. I didn't even know the value at the time. That 20,000 person list ended up being worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to me in the next few months. But I also had 5,000 paying members, 5,000 people that put down $100 to join that membership site. That was when my mind was officially blown. That was when I sat there and thought, how is it possible that with one weekend of highly focused effort, I was able to build a membership site that generated over $500,000 in revenue and built me over 20,000 leads on an email list. And once I really figured that out, I just started churning out membership sites left and right. My second membership site was version 2 of that. About a year later, I launched a second version, and that second version did over $800,000 in sales in just 5 days. Just 5 days. All because of the power of this system. So what I've done is this. Every single person that came and became a member, so many of them said, Chris, what is this membership system? This must have taken months to build out. This must have taken tens of thousands of dollars to build. And guess what? It didn't. I was able to build out that membership site in a single week. I was able to build out those modules literally overnight. A lot of them weren't even my modules. They were simply interviews with other people, or even I had other people contribute their modules, literally just for the exposure. So think about this. What if I could show you how to be able to generate tens of thousands of leads and how to be able to generate recurring revenue online, residual income, anywhere in the world, even while you are sleeping? That's the power of Smart Member. So what I want to do is I want to take just a couple of minutes and I want to show you right in front of your eyes how I can set up a membership site in 60 seconds or less. I'm going to put a timer up right now and I'm going to build a site right in front of you and show you the power of Smart Member. All right, let's start by creating a new site. Let's call this site name Dark Post Profits 2.0. Let's make the site URL DPP2 and save changes. Now instantly the site's created. I'm going to click on Dashboard, let it load. And the first thing I'm going to do is change the appearance. Let's start with the site logo. Let's choose an image. I'm going to click through and I'm actually just going to add my logo right there. Drag it in, go down, and I'm going to press Save. The next thing I want to do is add an advertising banner. So let's click on Advertising, choose the image, click there to upload it, and let's add that advertising banner. As soon as I save now, what I can do is I can actually type in a URL. So let's put smartmember.com and let's save that banner. Now let's get some content. So let's go and let's upload some Vimeo videos. I'm just going to log right into my account, connect, and I'm going to let it bring in all of my videos. And then I'm going to choose a tag category. And then I'm going to add all of the videos from that tag and click public. Boom. Alright, so as you can see, everything loaded in perfectly. Let's go ahead and click through some modules. As you can see, look at this. Just keep clicking next. Everything loads fast. Everything's in there. You see the logo, you see the banner, training modules as a section, and of course, I can build this out from here. I could add a ton of different tabs on the top. I can go in and write descriptions if I wanted for all this stuff, but I just wanted to show you how a site can be built in 60 seconds that easy. Alright, so now you've seen the power of Smart Member, and you've seen how you can easily build a membership site in minutes, regardless of your experience level. You've seen all these amazing features that we have, and we have so many more that are on the way. But here's the thing. Have you ever heard that line, if you build it, they will come? Well, that line is actually just a piece of garbage, right? Because it doesn't matter. If you build it, that doesn't mean they will come. Just because you build a membership site doesn't mean people are going to be flooding through the gates trying to buy your course. So here's the key part. You've got to be good at generating traffic. You've got to be good at being able to direct people to your site. Now, here's the problem. The problem is that you have your course that you've built, your membership site, and you have all these potential customers, but there's a huge gap in between them. We call this bridging the gap. You've got to bridge the gap from your customer base to your membership site. And that's why I created a tool to help make this easy for you. This tool is called Bridge Pages. Bridge Pages is a software tool that literally personalizes your membership site for any person that visits it. For example, if somebody was a real estate agent and they visited your site, it could be tailored to real estate agents. The words could change, the videos could change, the background can change. Literally anything can change to be real estate related, and it can happen automatically. It's like a weird science fiction movie, right? It's like this crazy technology that changes your site on the fly, and it's super cool. Now here's why this is important. Let's go back to that first course that I created. Remember that Facebook marketing course? Well, think about it. Who was my potential market? People who are already interested in advertising on Facebook. Well, that was a small market. What about all these people out there that didn't know that advertising on Facebook was the solution to solve their problems? How could I reach them? That's where bridge marketing comes in. For example, what if my headline on my site said, "Attention real estate agents, use Facebook marketing to be able to generate more buyer leads and more seller leads online to be able to grow your business"? That would basically appeal to real estate agents. Suddenly, that real estate agent is very interested in what you have to offer. They weren't looking for Facebook marketing in the first place, but now they are, because it's all about real estate agents. It's all about them. You've made them important. So what if I had software that could automatically turn your membership site into a dynamic page that changed like that on the fly? Let me give you another example. Attention network marketers. Use this Facebook marketing course to be able to recruit more reps for your business, find more customers for your business, and dominate your company's leaderboards. Well, there's a huge network marketing industry out there, and I've just personalized my course to them. So suddenly I've bridged the gap. Attention coaches, attention authors, attention speakers, attention public speakers. Learn how to be able to book more gigs and be able to generate double the amount of revenue by using this little-known Facebook marketing strategy. See, suddenly I'm speaking to them. That is called bridge marketing. And I've developed a software tool that does this automatically for your site. It's as simple as swapping out text and pressing enter. And suddenly, the site is completely tailored to any niche that you can think of. The ideas are endless. And that's a huge bonus for you when you buy today. When you pick up Smart Member, not only are you going to get lifetime access, unlimited sites, unlimited traffic, no monthly fees, you're also going to get bridge pages with unlimited pages, unlimited traffic, and no monthly fees. You're going to get Smart Member and bridge pages as part of the bundle.